direction, a place to be. High on emotions, just you and me. So like the fire deep inside, it doesn't matter where we're going. We're going. Ultraviolet deep desires, I just wanna see you glowing. Glowing, you know. These days are golden, golden, and our hearts won't be broken, broken, we'll stay forever young. Just hold on the line, hold on the line. These days are golden, golden, and our hearts won't be broken, broken, we're dreaming with our eyes wide open, hoping tonight.
はい、皆さんおはようございます。元気ですか？ Good morning everyone. How are you? So today is big number. We learned already 0 to 9,000 last time. Okay, so today is from 10,000. Okay, 10,000. It's a big number. Can I use such a big number? Yes, because okay, 100 euro. So maybe you used to use euro. Okay, 100 euro is yen is 10,000 yen. Okay, which means if you buy the mobile, is like 200 euro or maybe 900 euro will be 19,000 or 30,000 euro. Okay, so 10,000 yen, which is like this big number, every day we use. Okay, so which means 20 up. If you buy the one mobile 100 euro, okay, 20 plus is a Japanese currency. Okay, so 10,000 yen. Okay, so let's start. 10,000 is 1万. Okay, 1万. So why we don't say 10 and 1,000? We don't say 10,000. We say 1 and 万. We have original name for 40. 万. That's the 万. So original name. We don't say 10,000. 1万. 1万. Actually, it's very easy. Okay, so 1万, 2万. Okay, 2 and then 40 is 万. Very easy, but it's very different from English, Greek. Okay, I mean all European language to Japanese language is totally different. Okay, totally different, but if you focus here, it's not difficult. Okay, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1万、2万、3万、4万、5万、6万、7万。Okay, and 8万、9万。Here, we say 10 and 万。10万。Okay, so one more time. 1万、10,000。1万、2万、3万、4万、5万、6万、7万、8万、9万、10万。And how we say these number in Japanese? Now actually you can count almost 100,000. Quite big number you can count correctly. So how do we say 15,000? So usually here people say 15,000, which means like English Japanese 15,000. Yes, but we said, do you remember? We don't say 10,000. 1万, which means we don't say 15,000 because we don't say 10,000. 1万. So, answer is, first of all, 10,000 is 1万. So, definitely start from 1万. 1万. And check the other video how we call 5,000. 5,000. 5,000. So, direct translation is 10,000, 5,000. Okay. 1万。1万5,000. So 1万 is 10,000. 10,000. 5,000 is 5,000. From the other video, try to check. 1,000 till 9,000. Okay. So this is also here. 28,300. But we don't say 28,000. Because 20,000 we have original name 2万. Okay. So 2万. How we say 8,300. 2万8,000. Okay, and 300. 300, we learn 100 till 900. Okay, 300. Actually, 100 is more difficult because we have 100 and 100 and 100. Irregular. Here, we don't have irregular pronunciation. Everything is man. Here is 100, 100. Okay? So, one more time, if you don't remember well, try to check the other video. 8,300. Okay, 2万 20,000. 8,000 8,000 300 300. Okay, so here it's a big number, really big number. 134,600. Okay, in Greek is 134 χιλιάδες 600. Is that correct? Okay, so it's the same in Greek and English. You will say 134,600, but Japanese is not. We have to say 1万 is, we don't say 10,000, we say 1 万. So how do we say this 100,000? 100,000 is 10 万. 10万. 10万. So here we need to connect 10 万 plus 3万, 30,000. So here we connect 13 万. 13 万. Okay, and 4,600. 4,600. 13万 4,600. Okay. 13万 4,600. Of course, English and Greek, other language are also the same. You don't write down the pronunciation like this, like 100, like O-N-E, 100 something. You don't write down like 134,600. You don't write it down with the alphabet. Of course, you don't need to write it down like this, but now we are learning the pronunciation, that's why we are writing like this. But if you go Japan, you have to see the price. Just you have to pronounce correctly in Japanese, but you never write like this way. Okay, we are just learning the pronunciation. Okay, so how was it? Big number. So today we finished totally. Big number and small number is done. Next time we can learn the how old are you and 1 years old, 2 years old, 3 years old. Like this counting. And we have a time. Okay? So, 頑張りましょう. Good luck!